Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing, unbagging. So let's open this up and see what we have. I'm just going to grab my scissors and start it off. And I've got a bunch of sticky things on here because this desk, I love it, but it's very slick. Everything slides right off. And let's see. Ooh. So anyway, you guys, this isn't something I normally would share on the channel, but I'm going to share it because I got it for on sale during Prime days, but it's normally a pretty good price anyway. So I got this for $15 Canadian. This is the Remington Precision Haircut Kit. So you can see the Remington branding here. So anyway, during COVID, my dad asked me to order him a thing to cut his hair. I don't know, what do these called? Like a razor? A special razor? So I ordered him one, and it was rechargeable, and it only lasted 3 years. And now it charges to the full. It says it's charged, but it doesn't run. So I thought I'm going to order him one that's not rechargeable, just one that you plug into the wall, and hopefully that will last longer. And this was on sale for $15. And it's regular only $18.97, but it comes with all kinds of different pieces. It's for cutting your hair at home. Here you can see it. It includes a full-size clipper, 7 fixed combs, a right topper comb, a left topper comb, scissors, a styling comb, 4 sectioning clips, a neck brush, a barber cape, cleaning brush, oil bottle, blade guard, storage case, a style guide, and an easy-to-use tape lever, and it has a 5-year durability guarantee. So yeah, it says no pulling or snagging. There's 25 pieces in the kit, and let's see if I can get the tape off so we can take a look. So all of my nails have broken, so it's going to be hard to get the tape off. They always make the tape stronger than the cardboard. Okay, that was kind of hard to get out. But let's take a look at this kit just so you can see what you get. I'm really impressed that it was only $15. So you can see it's in a plastic case. It says Remington on here. There's latches at the side. So you just take these latches and you click them up. And I'm just going to put this down. And the top comes right off. And then it comes with some pamphlets, safety instructions, a use and care guide, a haircut kit, and it comes with the French instructions too, because I'm Canadian and everything we have is French. So it comes with this little pouch. Oh, you know what? I think that's just a garbage bag. Yeah, I'm not going to open that up. I'm going to leave that for my dad to open. This is just like garbage bag material with a hole so you could cover your body and your hair won't fall on your body. It's just the same as cutting a hole in the neck, like in the top of a garbage bag, and wearing that. It's the exact same material. I don't know if you can see that. So that's what they call a cape. It's just like a plastic cape. But it's nice that they included it. And here are some of the combs. Like I said, I'm not going to open all of these, but I just wanted to show you. I will put the link to the site and everything on the site. Like, you could just check in the pictures what you're going to get. So here's some more of the combs. So if you want longer hair or shorter cut. My dad just uses it. He's like almost bald. He just uses it to clean up his neck. And it comes with scissors. It comes with some hair clips. Comes with a little comb. Comes with a little brush to brush the hair off your clothes and your neck. And then this is the most important part of it all. So let's take a look at this. And that's what the shaver looks like. I don't know, what are these called? Like barber clippers? So anyway, it's got a safety thing on here. So they are almost exactly the same as what I used to use for my dogs. I always had poodles, so it was super expensive to have them groomed. And then I always did, though. Didn't matter how much it was. But then when they got elderly, I had to do it myself. because their skin got so fragile that no matter who I brought them to, they weren't careful enough, and my dogs would come home with burnt spots and cuts and bleeding, and it wasn't really the groomer's fault. It was the dogs were super old and their skin was fragile. So I had to start doing it. And at the end, I even stopped grooming them hardly at all. I would just use the scissors because I couldn't use the blades anywhere near their bodies because it freaked them out too much. That's the downside of having a poodle. Now, what are the odds of me getting this back in the box? I don't know. So I'll do that off camera. But yeah, so this is everything you get in the Remington kit. $15 Canadian on sale, but right now it's $18.97. I'm sure the prices change day by day, but I will put a link below if you're interested. I know this isn't something I normally show on the channel, but this really helped out for cutting my dad's hair all through the pandemic. So if you have boys or men in the house that need trims and they have short hair, this will work great. Because the other one I got was almost the same set, but it was the kind that you could recharge. This you can't recharge. You have to plug it into the wall. But it seemed to have a nice long cord. So anyway, I think I would recommend this over the one that's rechargeable because the rechargeable one stopped working after 3 years. Alright guys, I hope you liked that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And all of those good things that help me as a channel. Most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting, happy shopping. Have a really great day, guys. Bye.